on this edition of the AUDIOZONE channel.
And he gets delivery of his vehicle again. First stage, second stage, now you're in your third stage, man.
Hey, I appreciate you, man.
Man, we appreciate you a lot, man, for giving us a chance to work on your baby, because I know it's your toy, man. I'm not going to be here for a lot more journeys.
Oh, yeah.
You're always welcome here for anything we need to do, but the vet is ready to be signed, sealed, and delivered.
Appreciate you, man.
Papa, you be good, man. God bless you, man.
Service, man. This is my second time coming back, because everything y'all done did was perfect, man. Everything was on point. Hey, I highly recommend y'all to, whatever y'all need, come holler.
Check out AUDIOZONE. That's 100%.
I'm telling you, man. Hey, the work self-explanatory.
What up, y'all? It's your boy Jay Cruz, aka the AUDIOZONE, here with another day, another video. I want to thank you guys for supporting the channel, man. God has been good to us, man. 2024 is here. We're doing big things, a lot of different changes in the shop. I'm introduced you to a lot of changes we've done here, man. But today we got a very special build for you guys today. It's gonna be a Corvette. It's a C7 Corvette. This young man, come over here, man. Let's get you on the camera. So tell everybody what your name is.
Hey, what's going on? My name is Michael Watson from Dallas, Texas. Here to get the works done on my vet.
Man, it's the beginning of many processes, I can promise you that, man. It could be the beginning of many processes, because cars are our side chicks, man. That's what we put all our money into, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
But long story short, we're gonna get this car in here. Let me get this over here. We're gonna get this car in today. We're changing the spoiler to the back of the vehicle to give it more of a different look. So I'm gonna bring y'all, introduce you to the car in the back. What we're gonna be doing to it, show you the process, and get this man with a smiley face. Stay tuned. Guys, so I'm gonna introduce you now to the beautiful Corvette from this young man. Man, he has a C7 here. It is a gorgeous car, there's no doubt about that. He is right now bringing it in to get some stuff. I love the red guts, y'all. You see, like, these are the things that make a car special sometimes, and he definitely has it going on. His red guts inside. He does have the side diffusers. He's already got his the side skirts. He got a front diffuser. The car's a clean car, y'all. The car's definitely a clean car, but this is what he wants to get installed, and I'm gonna show y'all. He has an upgraded spoiler. Look at the Z06 style spoiler, and it is going to be a challenge and a job. We're gonna have to remove this old spoiler to get this thing installed in this car. So I know definitely it's gonna be a journey, but we're gonna get this done now. First process: remove tail lights to be able to get to all the bolts and nuts in the bottom of the old spoiler. Remove that spoiler off of the car, get the new one installed, and see how it goes from there. Stay tuned, guys. So at this point in time, let me walk you through what's going on. You have to remove the bezel of this light, which is what he's working on right now. So it's got little clips, little push tab clips that you can see right there. The push tab clips are what's gonna make it do its thing and allow you to be able to get this out. So that's what you see that he's popping off right now, is those clips. That's the next phase of this job. Plastic is always your best friend. So that's kind of what I'm just gonna let y'all watch him do that for a minute. Be careful not to break it, y'all. You gotta hit these tabs and try to get it popped out. It's very difficult, as y'all can see. It's not something that's easy. Broke the tool in the process, but y'all can see what it's like. The reason I'm showing you this is so you see that it's not easy. Just don't put too much pressure when you break it, but it's not easy. You have to just finesse it and get it going slowly. There you go, y'all. But y'all can see how hard it is, but that's the process. Can you back on this tutorial about doing this wing Corvette stage 2 on it? Let me show y'all something. So what you got to remove, obviously the bezels around here that you already see here. And then we have to remove all the screws that are going around this. You got to take off the protective covering, and then you have to get all these bolts out of here to be able to remove it. There's some bolts in the bottom there that need to be removed to be able to release that. Some on the sides, and the bumper will come off. Once the bumper's off, we will have access to the whole bumper, take it off, and be able to align it to where we have the new spoiler fitting on correctly. So stay tuned. So after we get all the bolts off, the bumper is now removed from this Corvette. So now you can see that we have full access. The bumper's removed, lights are removed. Once the bumper's off of this car, it makes it a lot easier for us now to put it on the stand and turn it around and get everything bolted and mounted down. But this is kind of the process it goes through to get a Corvette's back bumper. And I'm gonna be honest with you, if it wouldn't be for the facials that they put on the car, look what a car looks like, y'all. It is pretty simple. You can see the fan for the radiators and condensers and stuff on the car. All look at the back support of the vehicle. But just like that, That bumper is removed. Now we have to get to the hard part, which is now getting the bumper on the stands, taking off the old spoiler, mounting the new spoiler up, and getting this customer out the door. All right, guys, so at this point in time, the guys are ripping and rolling. Y'all don't even get time to bring y'all some coverage, man. But right now, at this point in time, you can see the bumper's been removed. The old spoiler has already been removed. And now what you're looking at is the two spoilers put side by side next to each other. So now what he's doing right now, he's marking up the holes, make sure that everything matches up perfectly to go and get that installed. And then we're putting that lip right back onto this Corvette and have the new spoiler installed. This guy should be very happy when that's done. But right now, the team is getting it together. The one concern that's going on, we just did a test fit on the spoiler, and the preset holes from factory that you see here are not matching up 100% there. One of the best ways of doing it, we're just going to get the holes and going to run the holes a little bit bigger to the sides to be able to make sure we have a center fit, but be able to make sure the spoiler goes and grabs on. So to do that, we're going to have to get these holes and change the diameter of them to make sure that everything on the unit is actually going to fit perfect when that is done, and get that one installed for his spoiler, right? Sometimes when you get the parts, they don't fit perfectly, but that's what the shops are for, man. We're here to get the job done. We know what we're doing. We're going to get it done right, get it installed, be sure that the wing doesn't fly off on the customer, make sure it's a perfect fit, and we get a perfect customer. So stay tuned. On update, my sons already came here and changed the position of the bolts, and we already see that now we got action on this car being installed in that kit. So you can see exactly what's going on with her and what she's looking like right now. But as you can tell, she is looking good. That's going on. While that's going on, we got my guys over here adding the front lips. You can see this is like a Z06 style conversion, and that's what he's putting on to get that done. Soon we should have some results in this car. Another day, another dollar. You have an update on this one? The Corvette is coming back together. So at this point in time, they got the lights back installed. Let me show you why that's done that way. The nuts and bolts come from the back side. So he got that installed. He can start the lights. Once the light goes on, like you can see he's doing there, then we can reverse the same process we did of taking it off and put it back on and get this one going. So right now, that's what he's doing here, y'all. now that the lights are on, we'll put the bumper back on and we'll be trucking on this one shortly. And just like this, the Corvette goes back into getting form. So we just installed the bumper back. You're gonna bolt it all down, but now y'all can see what the spoiler gonna look like at the end, and he's getting all this situated for it right there. So now you gotta put the bolts on, put the little covers back on here, close it up, and this car will be ready for delivery. Stay tuned. Our Corvette's out the door, and your car's out the door. Yeah.
That one
Just another day, another dollar, y'all. We're just rolling. Your Camaro's over there, boss. Kill switch is installed.
Cool, man.
Papi, God bless you, man. You be good, Papi. Say hi to the camera, man.
What's up, man? What's up, YouTube?
What? Tell them what you got done. You're getting it done today. You got a kill switch because they can't jack your car.
Yeah.
True story. A girl came in yesterday at 4 o'clock in the afternoon. SS Camaro. Wanted to get a security system done. It was already 4 o'clock. We couldn't get it done. She had an appointment for today, 11 o'clock. She called me this morning. They stole her car.
Damn.
Just like that. Just by one day, her car was gone. So you're good. At least you're safe for today, man. You be good, Papi. God bless y'all, man. And then on the other side of this, we have the Corvette that just got out for delivery. And I'm gonna show you what it is. We already did the side skirts on this one a couple days ago. Did the front lip install. Today, we installed the rear spoiler. And just like that, this car is ready to go for the customer. So now he got that stage on there, looking all good, making sure he's all good, it's all secured. That one's ready to go. And he gets delivery of his vehicle again. First stage, second stage, now you're in your third stage, man.
Hey, I appreciate you, man.
Man, we appreciate you a lot, man, for giving us a chance to work on your baby, because I know that's your toy, man. I'm not gonna be here for a lot more journeys.
Oh, yeah.
You're always welcome here for anything we need to do, but the vet is ready to be signed, sealed, and delivered.
Appreciate you, man.
Papa, you be good, man. God bless you, man.
Service, man. This is my second time coming back because everything y'all done did was perfect, man. Everything was on point. Hey, I highly recommend y'all to, whatever y'all need, come holler.
Check out AUDIOZONE. That's 100%.
I'm telling you, man. Hey, the work is self-explanatory.
But the car is just gorgeous. The silver, all the black, man. She looked good. It's our pleasure to be able to serve you. I know that this car is going to be here for a lot more other projects. Stay tuned if we keep on doing more, y'all.